At Hard Chrome Solution, we differentiate ourselves from all our competitors by performing custom gear cutting, gear grinding, hard chrome plating, line boring, large turning, and large machining in-house. None of our competitors or OEMs can match our capabilities or capacity to offer gears, shafts, bushings, sleeves, and thrust bearings in stock for most brands used in the industry. With the largest storeroom in our 60,000 square feet facility, there's no need to look elsewhere. We are your best source for gearbox repair with worldwide support through our 4 locations in New Jersey, Florida, Texas, Illinois, and Nevada. You need not search any further as HCS has you covered with the leading guarantee on every box for 36 months on every install to keep your most reliable investment moving. Trust us like most of the OEMs have. We know your valuable gearboxes are a critical line that keeps your industry running. Call us now, as we're standing by 24 hours every day. Our shop is here to help you with every size gearbox and brand, 365 days a year. Get in touch with us today at 732-895-3225 or visit our website at hardchromesolution.com.